Hey lovelies, you welcome back. And if you're new to this channel, I'm LJ and I talk about stories while I style my 4C hair. So stay tuned. Thank you for following me. Thank you for my subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. This style is when you want the curves, like you want the finger curves, but you do not have the time to do those finger curve because everybody knows that finger curve takes a lot of time. It might look rough while I'm doing it, but trust the process, it's gonna come out so well. So what I'm doing is just using Cantu to moisturize my hair that I already partitioned, and the next thing I'm going to do is just use the rubber band to do a crisscross and do a cornrow, just one cornrow in between the crisscross. So just sit back, relax, and trust this process. It will come out so well. So of course you saw me doing my makeup. I already did my makeup, and the reason why I put this green satin on my neck is because I do not have an apron and I don't want it to stain my shirt. And what I'm doing now is just using the Cantu to moisturize, and I also used a little bit of shine and jam. So there are four things I used for creams that I used for this hair. It's one, my Cantu; two, my shine and jam; three, my normal hair cream. I, I don't remember the name. And four is the gel, the just a normal gel. I'll put them all on my description. So this is me just doing the one cornrow. This is gonna be the only cornrow I'm doing for this hair, and then I put a rubber band on the tip so it doesn't unravel. And to get the curls on the tip of my hair, it's just me using my finger, using a little bit of the shine and jam, and using a little bit of the gel. So that's, I already mentioned the four creams I'm using, and I'm just removing some, in this place I'm removing some baby hair. I don't want the rubber band dragging my baby hair, and you don't want this to be too tight, so just to your taste. Okay, so here it is. I initially did that one, so I took the band off that one. So I'm gonna do a loose twist, and I'm going to then join it to the other one. After I put the band on it, I will do a loose twist as well for this one. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the process. baby girl, this hair is what is beautiful. It's simple, it's just easy, quick hairstyle. You all know me. And just the next thing is just to use your hand to detangle it. Put some shine and jam, put some whatever spray you have, and girl, rock this hairstyle. What do you guys think about this hairstyle? Look, it's beautiful, it's simple. You don't have to know how to be cornrow make her or whatever. You don't have to be perfect to make this style. It's beautiful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Remember to spread love and kindness. Bye.